This is so cool. This is my heaven. It is a white cake covered in coconut, and I made all the snow around the outside of this. It's called a Snowball cake, made by the Snow Bunny Crumb Boss. Crumb Boss, why are you making snow cakes in the middle of summer?
This is CNN.
Yeah.
That's what you sounded like. You were like, this is so cool.
This is so cool. This is a Snowball cake, and it's a round circular cake that the Crumb Boss has made and put on the golden board. And what makes this so special is that not only because the Crumb Boss made it, you guys, but she's going to show you how to do it.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss!
Oh, you look so calm. After that Penny Arcade video, I don't know what's going on. All right. Hey.
I had some extra marshmallow from making Malomars in our last video. So what I did, I didn't want to throw it away. I filled this chocolate. Yeah, it does look like that. This is marshmallow, and I filled the inside of this cake. See how it's like marshmallowy? Yeah. See it?
Yeah.
That's like marshmallow filling right there, guys.
Wow.
I got this idea from one of my favorite childhood desserts I used to eat. Hostess Snowball cakes. Those they come in a little package, 2 in a package. They're little chocolate cakes filled with cream. They're covered with marshmallow and then coated with coconut.
Wow.
So, I loved those. I would peel off the marshmallow, I would eat the cake, and then I'd eat the marshmallow.
And then you became the Crumb Boss.
That's right.
And now you make your own Snowball cakes.
Right. A lot of you guys might recognize them better if this was pink. Do you know what I mean? You'll see the pink one more often than white.
Yeah.
So anyway, this is my play on the Hostess Snowball cake.
Cool. Hostess Snowball cake.
So chocolate cake, marshmallow filling. Get your recipes on crumbboss.com. I'm not going to show you how to make the marshmallow filling because I already did that in numerous videos.
Yes.
So I'll attach the recipe though when you
I really like that video, how to use a blowtorch.
Yeah, well that's where we made
Hey, let's blowtorch this.
We probably could toast the coconut with a blowtorch.
Yeah.
But the blowing the air from the blowtorch might blow the coconut off the top. That's the only problem.
All right.
So anyway, I'm just gonna ice this with some vanilla buttercream.
I think that's cool. What a cool! This is like, all right. This could be potentially my birthday cake.
Yeah, I think so.
I mean, because it's got the marshmallow, it's got the buttercream, it's chocolate, but it's got coconut. You know, what are your plans for my birthday cake?
I'm going to get that One Direction cake that I froze about 3 months ago, and I'm just going to give it...
yeah. I don't want any fondant on my cake.
Oh, you're getting fondant.
I hate fondant.
Hey, we made your cake fondant last year.
No, I like fondant. Like that. No, yeah, I know. Gretchen made my birthday cake 2 years in a row.
Okay, Michael Jackson. She's moonwalking out of that one.
Yeah.
I hate fondant. I love fondant.
I hate fondant. I love fondant.
All right, so basically, I mean, you don't have to do your icing really nicely because we're going to coat this whole thing.
Because you're crumbosing it. I mean...
I'm crumbosing.
You're crumbosing. Okay.
Because I'm going to coat the whole thing with coconut, so you don't really have to do the icing part of it nicely.
Hey, maybe I could help you. No, I'm kidding. This is what I did, and again, there's a little snow around it, so I found some out back.
You know, I've always got these big sheet pans full of things. It makes my life a little bit easier when I have 5 pounds of coconut to work with. You guys might not have such an easy time at home.
Do you buy your own coconuts and make this stuff?
Yeah, I grow them in the back. And
I always wondered what that pasture was on the other side.
In the morning I climb the trees and I hack the coconuts down. I break them open. I peel the meat of the coconut out.
That's cool.
Yeah, I never sleep.
Yep, that's for sure.
See how easy, guys?
That's an easy cake.
This is building on recipes. When, you know, basically I came up with this idea because I had some extra marshmallow. So, get creative, guys.
Snowball cake made by the Crumb Boss. Again, it's the chocolate cake, with marshmallows and vanilla buttercream, and made by the Crumb Boss. Invented by the Crumb Boss.
Should I pick it up?
Yeah. I'd like to, yeah, there you go.
Crumb Boss and her snowballs.